More than rupees 34 crore contraband drugs were burned today at Fundongbam, Chingmang. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birain stated that everyone must unite in fighting against drug. He also stated that poppy plantation will not be allowed in the state. Chief Minister Birain made the statement while destroying the drugs at Fundongbam, Chingmang, organized by Manipur Police Department. A road mishap at KWAKEITHEL Bazaar traffic point on Tirim Road has left 2 persons killed today. One of them died on the spot while the others succumbed to the injury at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal. Reportedly, the fatal accident happened when the two-wheeler victims were riding crash with a tanker truck. The deceased were identified as Urembam Sylvia Devi, aged 22 years, daughter of Y. Brajamani Singh of Singjamai Chongtham Lekai, and Thaudam Chinglembi Devi, age of 18 years, daughter of Th. Nilachandra Singh of Kakwa Lamdaibung, Imphal. The bodies have been deposited at the RIMS morgue in presence of the deceased's family. In order to mark 32nd National Road Safety Week, troops of Assam Rifles conducted an awareness lecture on road safety at Sekmaijing area of Imphal West District today. The event was conducted with an aim to generate awareness amongst the local populace about the road safety and minimize road accidents. Residents were also briefed on the importance of defensive driving, wearing of helmet and using seatbelt while driving. As a part of awareness drive, posters and leaflets containing do's and don'ts, basic etiquettes of driving were also distributed to the villagers, drivers and pedestrians along the road to instill sense of road safety and safe driving. Around 3 lakh healthcare workers will be administered vaccine shots at 2,934 sites across India on the first day of the nationwide COVID-19 vaccination drive, which is set to begin from January 16, a media report said. The Union Health Ministry has advised states not to organize unreasonable number of vaccination per site per day and said that each vaccination session will cater to a maximum of 100 beneficiaries. The ministry also said the states and union territories have also been advised to increase the number of vaccination session sites that would be operational every day in a progressive manner as the vaccination process stabilizes and moves forward. India recorded 16,946 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours till 8 am today, taking the total tally to over 1.05 crore. Out of these, active cases further dropped to 2.13 lakh, while recoveries went up to over 1.01 crore. A media report said with 198 deaths reported yesterday, the death toll stands at over 1.57 lakh. Kerala reported more than 6,000 cases. Its total caseload now is over 8.25 lakh. Maharashtra, with 3,556 new cases, was the only other state to report more than 1,000 cases in the last 24 hours. Less than 2 days before India starts its nationwide inoculation drive, about 95% of 1.1 crore Covishield vaccine doses purchased by the government have been delivered across the country. Manipur's COVID-19 infection count stands at 28,769 as of 11 am today. Altogether, 41 new cases were detected in the past 24 hours. As per the data from the COVID-19 Command Control Room, the fresh cases were from Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Kakching, Chandel, Churachandpur, Senapati, Kamjong, Tengnopal and None districts. No fatality was reported in the same period. The death toll stands at 365 in the state. The active cases are 469 while the recoveries are 27,935. The state's recovery rate is 97.10%, COVID-19 Command Control Room said. Continuing the demand for revocation of LUKHOSEI ZOU'S acquittal in the multi-crore drug seizure case, representatives of various women organizations led by Nupi Samaj President T.S. Ramani submitted a memorandum to Kaisamthong constituency MLA Jayanta Kumar, Works Minister T.S. Bishwajit and Khetragaon MLA Indrajit today. LUKHOSEI ZOU, a former ADC chairman, was acquitted by NDNPS Court Manipur on December 17 in a Rs 27 crore drug seizure case. All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union observed the 32nd Drivers' Day at the union office located at MG Avenue in Imphal today. Speaking during the function, Union General Secretary Maimom Anil Maite said that the masses should show camaraderie towards the drivers. Anil asserted that the drivers risked their lives to bring in goods to the state amid the pandemic. 3 Manipuri women cyclists Bashimium Bindia Devi, Sinam Rosni Devi and Chakram Naucha Chanu, who are on a bicycle ride from Manipur to Delhi with a campaign on Stop Crime Against Women and Child Labour, have crossed Agra today. The ride started on December 23, 2020. On reaching the national capital, the trio will demonstrate to the public the theme of the campaign.